How to fix Instagram couldn't change photo easily and fast. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't change photo in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone like this and then scroll down, go to the apps manager, and then all what you have to do here is go to the apps and now go to Instagram. After you click on Instagram, it will take you to this page. Click here on force stop and then go to the storage and click here on clear data. And then go back and click on the permissions option right here and then make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back again and this time you will go to the wireless and Wi-Fi settings on your phone and go and enable the airplane mode and disable it again. After that, reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe.